Hello and welcome to our channel Trendify News. What did former President Donald Trump say when he took the stand in a New York courtroom on Monday? How did he clash with the judge and the prosecutors? And what are the consequences of this trial for his business empire and his political future? Stay tuned to find out. On Monday, Trump testified in the $250 million civil fraud trial brought by New York Attorney General Letitia James, who accuses Trump, his adult sons and Trump Organization executives of fraudulently inflating the values of Trump's assets for financial benefits. The trial will determine the penalties they will face, which could include a hefty fine and severe restrictions on the family business. Trump's testimony was the first chance to see how he responds in the face of hostile questioning, a precursor to the 4 criminal trials he faces next year as he campaigns to regain the presidency. The trial is not televised, but according to reports from the courtroom, Trump clashed repeatedly with the judge and the prosecutors, often giving lengthy and irrelevant answers, making political attacks and denying any wrongdoing. Judge Arthur Engoron, who has already ruled before the trial began last month that Trump and his co-defendants were liable for persistent and repeated fraud, told Trump several times to just answer the questions and not to make speeches. He also told Trump's lawyer to control his client, saying, "This is not a political rally, this is a courtroom." Prosecutors questioned Trump about his company, where its assets are held, and about the valuations of its many properties, such as his a-lago resort in Florida and some of his golf courses. They alleged that Trump and his co-defendants inflated the values of these assets on financial statements to get better terms on commercial real estate loans and insurance policies. Trump, however, argued that his properties were undervalued and that he had invested in them because of his personal brand. He also blamed his accountants for preparing the financial reports, saying, "All I did was authorize and give people whatever was necessary for the accountants to do the statement." Trump's sons, Eric and Donald Jr., who are also co-defendants in the case, gave similar testimony last week, shifting the responsibility to the accountants and denying any fraud. Trump's daughter, Ivanka, who is no longer listed as a co-defendant, is expected to testify on Wednesday. The civil case in New York is one of several legal battles in which Trump is embroiled. He also faces criminal investigations in New York and Georgia over his business dealings and his attempts to overturn the 2020 election results. He has dismissed all these cases as politically motivated witch hunts and has vowed to fight them in court and in the court of public opinion. The outcome of this trial could have significant implications for Trump's business empire, which has already suffered from the COVID-19 pandemic, the loss of his social media platforms, and the backlash from his role in the January 6 Capitol riot. It could also affect his political future, as he has repeatedly cited his own legal peril as a key reason voters should return him to the White House in 2024. That's all for today's news. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.